A neighbor shared the footage of an unknown individual attempting to disable their Ring doorbell.
I know you're home.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.